How to enable JavaScript on Chrome. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a super simple step-by-step tutorial to do so. So you may head over and follow out this method for that. Open up Google Chrome for that. And once we open up Chrome, we can go for the three dot option in the top right corner and click on it and access our settings from here. Once we access our settings from our left hand side, we can go to privacy and security and click on it. And within here, go to site settings. Now from site settings, what we can do is we can scroll down and go to the section for content and there find the option for JavaScript, this one right here. After that, you can click on it and select the option called sites, can use JavaScript and enable it. This is one of the methods available. Apart from that, we can open up our website and we can look out for a log icon in the left of the URL usually. So for example, let's say this one right here, and you can look out for a log icon usually on your left hand side, this right here, and go ahead and look out for connection settings here, and go ahead and open up the settings and look out for JavaScript option here and go ahead and enable that option. For that, look out for more settings and permissions, and from here scroll down, find permission section, find JavaScript here and click on allow by default, and you can refresh the page after you do so. And that's it, everybody. Most websites need JavaScript to function properly, like Gmail, YouTube, Facebook, etc. So you can enable JavaScript for that. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.